Has your Samsung phone switched to gesture navigation, leaving you wondering where the back button went? The good news is that you can bring it back in less than a minute. Samsung gives you the option to choose between gesture controls and the classic navigation buttons, so you can use whichever feels more comfortable. To get started, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Scroll through the menu until you find Display, then tap on it. Inside the display settings, scroll down a little further and select Navigation bar. You'll now see two navigation options. If Swipe Gestures is currently selected, simply tap Buttons instead. The change happens instantly and the traditional navigation bar will reappear at the bottom of your screen. Once enabled, you'll see three familiar icons: Recent Apps, Home and Back. The back button makes it easy to return to the previous screen without using gestures, which many users find faster and more convenient. If you'd like, Samsung also lets you change the button layout, so you can place the back button on the side that feels most natural for you. This feature is available on most Samsung Galaxy devices running One UI. While the exact menu names may vary slightly depending on your Android version, the steps are generally the same across newer Samsung phones. That's it for this tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful Android tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.